Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Ramokgopa ubese kubeke kapa njengoba ubephothula uhambo lwakhe lezokuvakashela iziteshi zakwa-Eskom namhlanje.
I Koeberg yilona ziko le-Eskom elikhiqiza ugesi elisebenzisa inuzi kuleli. Amandla lesiphehli okukhiqiza alinganiselwa kuma-megawatts ayi-9,800. UDokotela Ramokgopa uzinikeza isikhathi sokubhekisisa ukusebenza kweziphehli zogesi ezahlukahlukene kuleli.
I was with Koeberg now, so they are delaying in bringing to stream 920 megawatts. That has nothing to do with corruption, has everything to do with planning.
Onjiniyela base Koeberg bathi luyaqhubeka uhlelo lokuguqula imishini yokusebenza kuleli ziko.
It's part of the process that we need to do, but what we're doing now is not the assurance of getting into a long-term operation. It's the part of the activities we need to do, and we're hoping that the regulator will see it the same way as we do and grant us the license to operate for extended period.
Kanti khona futhi namhlanje kuseni uRamokgopa uvakashela isiphehli sogesi esise-Atlantis.
Ideally, we should not be using Ungqongqoshe and many other picking stations, because once you engage those picking stations, simply means that there's underperformance of, if you like, the coal-powered power stations, the 13 plus Koeberg, and what they do is to ensure that they close the gap in the demand, so that they were able to meet the demand without compromising the integrity of the system.
uRamokgopa uthi eziteshini zogesi eziyisikhombisa sezivakashele kuze kube manje akukho ukukhombisa ukuthi inkohlakalo iyimbangela yenkinga yogesi kuleli.